Hi, I'm Thomas Evans, and this is Behind the Scenes for SCP The Janitor. This shot was built entirely to scale, with a low camera angle to make it feel even bigger. Small LEDs were the main source of light in this shot. There was also a softbox in the back left of the set to give some backlighting. The LEDs reflecting everywhere was just a happy accident that made the shot look a little cooler. The roof was initially just a black, unexposed area. I masked out that area and then duplicated the floor to fill it in. This also gave the roof realistic and interactive reflections. I got a few questions about whether this shot had special effects or any hidden rigging in it, and the answer is no, because this shot is entirely in camera. The janitor is being held up by the trolley, it's just heavy enough to keep him off the ground. The point of contact of his hands made it fairly easy to accomplish the bouncy walk cycle that you see here. I'm really sorry if this footage offends any LEGO purists out there. This action is somewhat anime inspired and plays with the space of the scene. I broke the action into 3 distinct shots to help draw it out so it didn't happen too quickly. It took a bit of experimenting and a mix of animation at 12 frames per second and 24 frames per second to get the final result. At 24 FPS you might not have noticed this brick-built blur, but here it is. I also added a little bit of blur in post as well to help sell the effect. While doing the rough animatic for this animation, I discovered a pretty cool perspective and lighting trick that ended up becoming the thumbnail for the video. By putting a softbox behind a grid of Lego bricks and then putting that all out of focus, it created the illusion of a ceiling of tiled lights. It also gave a pretty awesome backlight for the janitor. And that's it. Please comment below if you have any more questions, and otherwise I'll see you next time.